I received this tissue paper today and in exchange for a review. This is the package it came in. Let's go ahead and open it up and see the quality and see how we can use it. So here is the tissue paper out of the package. You get 100 sheets and they measure 15 by 20. Here's one laid out to give you a size reference. And what can we use these for? Well, packing and moving, you want to cover and protect some glassware here. You can just use it for that. And these sheets are acid free, or you could use it for photos. Just protect them and store them. Or you could use them for gift bags. So many different uses for the tissue paper, and you do have 100, so you can use them for all different things and some of the examples that I showed you. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you'll have a great day.